Good evening, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about Zuckerberg's $270 million house with bunker and Silicon Valley Doomsday preparations. Google Contact introduces location sharing and eco-friendly routing. Adobe abandons $20 billion Figma deal due to antitrust concerns. Xiaomi's HyperOS update and dual UI strategy. Google Chrome's privacy-centric tool to block tracking. Activision Blizzard settles $50 million lawsuit on gender discrimination. Microsoft's AI chatbot Copilot generates inaccurate information. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And do not forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly constructing a $270 million house in Hawaii, including a secret underground bunker. The property named Kula Ranch on Kauai Island is estimated to cost $100 million and is one of the most expensive personal construction projects. Zuckerberg's investment, totaling $270 million, reflects a trend among Silicon Valley billionaires, including Sam Altman, Reid Hoffman, and Reddit CEO Steve Huffman, preparing for doomsday with extensive supplies. Huffman, for instance, invested in motorcycle guns, ammo, and even underwent laser eye surgery for increased survival odds. Reid Hoffman estimates that over half of Silicon Valley billionaires have invested in apocalypse insurance, like underground bunkers. Google Contacts on Android introduces location sharing, allowing users to access real-time location data without opening maps. The feature, available in version 4.22.37.586680.692, requires users to add Gmail addresses in the Contacts app and utilize Google Maps for directions. Notably useful for non-tech-savvy individuals, the feature provides a convenient way to access someone's location, with added benefits like notifications. Google also introduces eco-friendly routing, displaying fuel or energy efficiency estimates for routes, considering the vehicle's engine type. These features enhance user safety and contribute to a more sustainable and efficient navigation experience. Adobe cancels its $20 billion deal for cloud-based designer platform Figma, citing a lack of clear path of antitrust approvals in Europe and the UK. The termination incurs a fee of $1 billion to Figma, whose web-based platform is widely used by firms like Uber, Coinbase, and Zoom. Regulatory concerns from Britain's Competition and Markets Authority focused on potential harm to innovation and competition. Adobe CEO Shantanu Narayan expresses disagreement with regulatory findings but emphasizes the decision to move forward independently. The deal faced scrutiny over worries about big tech acquisitions affecting market power and competition. Xiaomi announces the HyperOS update for 2024, replacing the popular MIUI version on premium and popular devices. The Xiaomi 13 series, Redmi Note 12, and Xiaomi Pad 6 are among the devices scheduled for the update. The move aims to cater to markets like China and other countries with a focus on delivering enhanced features and user experience. Uncertainty remains regarding whether Xiaomi phones in India will transition to HyperOS or continue using the MIUI custom UI. Other brands have adopted a dual UI strategy to accommodate non-Google and Google-supported markets. Google Chrome plans to introduce a feature blocking online shopping sites from tracking users' web activity. The privacy-centric tool targets a Q1 2024 release with a goal to provide enhanced user privacy and control over ad preferences. Approximately 30 million users globally will receive this tool as a part of Google's Privacy Sandbox initiative. The tool includes user-centric ad privacy controls, cookie deprecation, and a reduction in invasive cookies limiting their use. Google collaborates with the web ecosystem to develop privacy-preserving technologies without relying on a cross-site tracking identifiers. Activision Blizzard agrees to pay approximately $50 million to settle a 2021 lawsuit by California's Civil Rights Department. The lawsuit alleged discrimination against women employees, including denial of promotion opportunities and underpayment. Settlement terms include withdrawing systematic sexual harassment allegations and addressing discrimination claims. Activision commits to ensuring fair pay and promotion practices, providing monetary relief to affected women in California. The settlement follows Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard for nearly $69 billion in October 2021. Microsoft's AI chatbot, Copilot, reportedly provides inaccurate information about the US elections 2024. Observations reveal that Copilot generates details from previous instances, resulting in inaccuracies and potential misinformation. Concerns arise about misinforming the public, prompting Microsoft to address and rectify the reported inaccuracies. Microsoft's significant focus on AI, including the reported $10 billion investment in OpenAI, raises expectations for responsible and accurate AI applications. Instances like these highlight the need for tighter regulations to mitigate potential dangers possessed by AI to political processes and entities. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।